Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. Today, let's talk about 5 very easy ways that a person who entered the United States on a K-1 fiancé visa may have their green card application denied after applying for it. Now, yesterday, someone scheduled a consultation with me because he helped his fiancée by helping her procure a K-1 fiancé visa abroad. After his fiancée entered the United States, he helped her by filing a green card application for her, but he was surprised that the application was denied. Now, I'm not going to go into specifics of why his case was denied. Today, instead, I'm going to share the top 5 reasons why foreign nationals that are approved for a K-1 visa often get their green card applications denied once they actually come to the United States. The first reason is by completing the I-485 application to adjust status incorrectly. There are many questions on this application, and a single mistake could lead to a rejection of the application or an outright denial. If you're going to file the I-485 application by yourself, make sure that you review the I-485 form instructions carefully. The second reason for a denial could be submitting the wrong supporting forms. For example, when a foreign national files for the K-1 visa, he or she submits the I-134 Declaration of Financial Support. However, once the K-1 visa holder enters the United States and files for a green card, the I-13 form is no longer required. Instead, the foreign national must submit the I-864 Affidavit of Support form. The third reason for denial could be submitting insufficient proof of the marriage. Although the K-1 visa holder is legally required to get married within 90 days of entering the US, it doesn't excuse them from having to submit proof of their marital relationship for the green card application. The fourth reason for denial could be missing various appointments or deadlines set forth by the government, such as failing to attend a biometrics appointment, failing to attend a required interview, or failing to provide requested documentation. The fifth and last reason for possible denial could be government error. I have handled so many immigration cases that it is very rare that I have seen a situation that I am not familiar with. I cannot tell you how many times that we had to argue with the government over something. Sometimes an officer may request certain documents that are not necessary for a particular case, or the officer may misapply the law. Unfortunately, an immigration officer's poor training may lead to your case getting denied. Just remember that if your case gets denied, you may try to file for an appeal. However, if you received temporary work authorization or temporary travel authorization, the second that your I-485 green card application is denied, your temporary work permit and travel authorization is automatically revoked by operation of law, even if you file for an appeal. So if you don't qualify to file for an appeal, you'll simply need to refile the I-485 application again and restart the entire immigration process. Keep this video in mind if you were successful in obtaining a K-1 visa, but question whether or not you should file the I-485 green card application by yourself or with using an attorney. Like with all things in life, there are certain risks that you have to assume when you try to do things yourself. Sometimes you will have to ask yourself, is it worth saving a little bit of money by not hiring an immigration attorney? Again, this is Winning Law, and thanks for watching.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office.